In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ledger to Trust Wallet. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the Trust Wallet extension, and then at the very top left, you want to click on this down arrow next to the name, and then right here, you want to click on Add New Wallet down here at the bottom left. What this is going to do is it's going to take you to a separate website where you basically have to click on I already have a wallet, and then from here at the very bottom, it says hardware wallets, and then you can see Ledger over here. Just click on the Ledger button, and then here you have to select the network, so either Ethereum or Bitcoin, and after you do that, you basically have to connect your Ledger to your computer, and then you have to open up either the Ethereum app on your Ledger or the Bitcoin app on your Ledger, so depending on which one you chose, and then you want to click on the connect button below when you are ready, so just click on connect, and then here you're going to have to select your Ledger device that's plugged into your computer, click on connect, and then you are good to go. You've successfully connected Ledger to Trust Wallet. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.